Hi guys, welcome to Tech World. Today we are going to discuss about the famous AI tool ChatGPT. How to use ChatGPT and how to log in ChatGPT. Go to browser and type ChatGPT. So it will give the first link as the OpenAI ChatGPT. Click the link, it will load. Once the page is loaded, it's asking for login and sign up. So if you have Gmail account, you can easily log in. So follow the steps and log in using your Gmail account. First time log in using Gmail, it will ask you for some additional details, your name, last name, and date of birth. Once it's done, it will ask you for your mobile number. Enter your mobile number. Enter your mobile number. Once mobile number enter, then if you have the same as the WhatsApp number, then click to send the code via WhatsApp. Otherwise, send the SMS. So you can enter the one-time verification code. Once it's successfully done, it will log into your ChatGPT account. Wow, we are logged in successfully in ChatGPT. You can start to send a message to ChatGPT. It will provide your answers. First, I am going to check for create simple HTML page. So the main advantage of ChatGPT, we don't need to type any code from the scratch. It will provide what are the requirements, even if it's a code or any errors, everything will be provided for the output. So I asked for simple HTML page, so it's provide output. So I just saved in my local for that code and just checked in browser. So my output is ready, but it's not looking good as a design. So I asked for with responsive and border. So if some Google or other search, we need to type for full code. But in ChatGPT, what the action we have done based on that, just give the code. I just type for responsive and border. So it will take the remaining queries in previous search. So I have refreshed the page. Then now the page design is changed. If you are going to check for that in mobile view, the mobile view also responsive. Okay, now we are going to try for something new. So I am going to try for create human in HTML code. So I just typed for create human using HTML code. So it will provide some HTML code with CSS. Yeah, the output is ready. So I just copy the code and try it in browser. If I refresh the page, my output is not getting clear. Okay, then we have option to regenerate. Just click that regenerate button. So it will provide for another code. The another code is best from the previous one. I just copied the regenerated code and try it in the new code in the browser. Yeah, no, it's looking good. So we are not going only using for this HTML and CSS or anything. We are going to try for something. If I am a fresher, so we can able to search using for some interview questions. For example, I am just searching for Java interview questions and code for freshers. So everyone they are facing the same in that interview. So initially it's provided for just content only. So I just asked for all questions Java codes. So it will provide the answers: palindrome check, Fibonacci series, factorial calculation, arrangement check. Everything it will provide the answer. So we can use this ChatGPT to get all your queries with a single output. So if you are not satisfied with output, you can regenerate. So no need to type entire query here. So it will provide your answer easily. So nowadays all the IT employees are using ChatGPT because of it will reduce developer code development time. It will be reduced a lot using this ChatGPT. For the example, I just tried for one media query for all the devices. So it's provided the answer within 10 seconds. So I just copied and used. Thank you.